is Promise Samuel Swiper. I'm a physical security and corporate intelligence analysis consultant. I help private security practitioners and corporate organizations how to practice security more professionally and deliver amazing results. In other words, in this part of the world, security practitioners are employed without prior knowledge to security and sent to the field to practice, and therefore cannot deliver the required result. Right? When the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. And therefore, these practitioners that do not have any prior knowledge to security, that were sent to the field, could not deliver the required result because they do not know the ethics and the knowledge of the practice. Right? But today, all of that is going to change because I'm going to show you what I call the 3 modules of physical security. Right? But before we go into that, we have to know the origin, the concept and conceptualization of security. Now, it is imperative to know that security is as old as creation and fundamental in all areas of human existence. Even God, who created the heaven and earth, acknowledged that life and property has to be secured. And therefore, after creation, he took man and put him in a very secure, safe, and conducive environment called the Garden of Eden. And therefore, it is imperative for every corporate organization to create an enabling environment for their operations to thrive in order to receive nor achieve the maximum result required of them. That is the only guarantee a corporate organization can maximize their full potentials. Right? Now, one may ask, what is the concept and conceptualization of security? Security as a concept and practice does not have a specific, general, nor universally accepted definition. Security all depends upon the person or the individual talking about security. Right? The spectacle one is putting on, looking at security, not talking about security. The spectacle, I mean the area of specialization, the field of study, nor the certification of the individual talking about security. But for the sake of this discussion, we are going to define security in the following terms. Number 1, security can be defined as a neutralization, prevention of perceived real or perceived real or actual threat targeted at personnel, product, nor services in a given environment or facility. It can also be referred to as a managerial function. Right? Now, I want to appreciate you for, having a nice time with us today. It is awesome to have this wonderful time with you. I hope you love the video you have just watched. If you did, I want you to leave a comment on the comment box and also go down the video and a thumbs up to subscribe for our channel. I will see you no distant time. Thank you very much.